Hi, I'm going to lead you through how to sew your constellation on your watercolor paper. So first you're going to pick your template of your zodiac constellation, and then you're going to take it to the light box and trace it with a Sharpie on the back side, exactly as you see it. Once you're done tracing it, take the template, the original side, and arrange it over your watercolor and get an idea for where you want to place it. And then on the back side, tape it down with the Sharpie side out. So your tracing is facing out on the back side, and that's going to be your template. You'll go ahead and tape that down. Then you're going to pre-poke the holes. The lines represent the stitches, the circles represent the stars. Poke the beginning and end of each line and poke every circle. Once you're done pre-poking, it's time to thread your needle. You'll need a wingspan of white embroidery floss, and you'll tie a knot at the end of the needle, a double knot, so it doesn't come loose. And it's not a double threaded, it's a single threaded needle. You'll start from the back and tape it down. You'll choose what direction you want to start with your constellation. Top or bottom, it doesn't matter. You should have an idea for what large star you want to be your LED light, because that's the one circle you're not going to sew. So wherever you begin, you're going to use a variety of running stitches or back stitches, whatever makes sense in the direction that you're sewing. And then for your medium and large circles, you're going to do French knots. So for the medium French knots, I like to wrap my needle 3 times. After you wrap the needle, you're going to hold tension with your other hand as you're poking your needle back through the paper. Sometimes if you're not holding tension and you pull the needle, your French knot will look a little bumpy and it doesn't look so great, so just be careful with that. For the larger circles, I like to do a French knot that has about 4 wraps. Same thing, hold tension, pull it tight so that your French knot is nice and tidy. So you'll go on and you'll finish your constellation. Remember, the lines are just one long straight stitch, and then you go to your French knot. And remember, you're going to leave one large French knot unsewn so that you can later on apply your paper light circuit. That's the one star that you're going to use an LED light for. So the back of your sewing is going to be messy. That's okay. The party's in the back. When you're finished, you're going to tape your thread down and cut it loose, and then we will move on to the next step. Have fun with embroidery. I can't wait to see these constellations when you're done. They're going to look awesome.